In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank slate to a clean, organized space your team can start using right away. First, sign into your Confluence account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is your home base, and it helps you jump quickly into creating what Confluence calls a space. Think of a space as your workspace, a dedicated area for a team, a project, or a knowledge base. Next, head to the top navigation bar and click on Spaces. In that menu, choose Create Space. This opens the setup flow where you'll decide how your workspace should start. If you don't already have Confluence open, I've placed the official Confluence website link right at the top of the description so you can get to the sign-in page quickly. When asked to choose a space type, you've got two clear paths. Pick a blank space if you want full control and prefer to build your structure from scratch. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn by setting up pages and hierarchy themselves. Or choose a template space if you'd like a head start. Templates come tailored for teams, projects, or knowledge bases, giving you a ready-made layout you can tweak later. Now enter your workspace details. Start with a clear, recognizable space name, like Marketing Team or Project Apollo, so people know exactly what they'll find inside. Confluence will autofill a space key, usually a short code derived from your space name. You can edit it if needed to match your team's naming conventions. Keep it short and memorable. It appears in URLs and helps with quick navigation. Before you create the space, review access permissions. Decide who can view pages, who can create content, and who can edit content. If you're unsure, the defaults are a safe starting point. And you can tighten or open permissions later as your team settles in. A common approach is to allow broad viewing for transparency, while limiting editing to the core contributors. When everything looks good, click Create. Just like that, your workspace is live and ready. From here, start adding content. Create pages for documentation, plans, or meeting notes, and invite your teammates to collaborate. Keeping one workspace per team or project will make content easier to discover, maintain, and grow over time. That's it. You've created a workspace in Confluence. If this was helpful, give it a like, check the link at the top of the description, and subscribe for more practical walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.